Welcome back, my AGG family. So I am in Tractor Supply again, y'all. And oh my goodness, look, more garden stuff is out. So I hear music going. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, if I have to do a voiceover over this, but I'm about to show you. We finna look. I came here for some chicken feed. All right, y'all. So oh my goodness, they was playing music so loud up in there. They was jamming. But look, y'all, bare root trees. Y'all know I was up in there like a kid in a candy store. Bare root trees, okay, y'all. They are like $17.99 each. And I already have 2 pears, 2 plums, 2 apples, but I got 1 peach. So I'm definitely gonna have to go back, if it's God's will, and get me a peach tree. Right here, they got seed starting kits out. Yes. For those of you that may need those. Really good to put on a heat mat or whatnot and start you some seeds. They got the biodegradable ones too. The little seed things. They're not reusable. I don't like them that much. Look at the seeds. They always got them /marked. Now, I think that's the little marketing thing for burpee or whatnot. Oh my goodness, I could not believe they got all this stuff out already, and it's January. I came around here to look at the trees. There go the peach tree. So I'm gonna definitely go back and get me one of those peach trees. Cause I got 2 of everything else. So get your bare root trees if you know that's what you want. That's what all my trees are out there, was bare root, okay? Over here, look at these little cute little tools for the garden. They so cute to me, okay? Look, Miracle Grow got grow bulbs, and these got the little switch where you can change it. That you can change the spectrum on them. So that was really nice, because not all the grow bulbs have those, and they $6.99 for the Miracle grow bulbs. And then they got these little kits right here, little grow kits, little windowsill kits. So cute, but I can grow that at home in something bigger, so I'm not gonna spend my money on that. All-purpose fertilizers, I have never used that brand, but whoop-de-doo, you can try it. I'm pretty sure a lot of people may try it and love it. That's probably all they go to. Look at all these seeds. I was just, oh my goodness. Raised garden beds. This is a white one, okay, for anybody that's looking for those. And that one was like kind of metal like, real sturdy feeling. So I've never used one of those. Mine is wooden, so I wouldn't know. Over here, I just happened to look to the side. I was like, oh, they got the seeds out for the onions. Look at that. You could tell. But the music was so loud, so I had to mute it, y'all. But you could tell by the look on my face how happy I was to see them this early. Rhubarbs, asparagus, all type of onions and garlic seeds is out, y'all. Just everything. Like, they are literally on the ball this year with the garden season. Seems like they know something we don't know, or they were just trying to get this stuff out, okay? Then I just kind of wandered on down this way to see what else I can see. All type of flowers, and look at this. They got the little bushes, the raspberry bushes, all your type of grapes. All those was out. They even got strawberry bushes, blackberries, all type, if you want to get those, okay? So Tractor Supply is on the ball, because when I was in here a couple weeks ago, I bought y'all in. They just had the seeds, so came in for some chicken feed and saw all this. Got your gloves right here, everything you need. Those waterers, those holes in the thingy majiggers, they was a little too expensive. I think we can get those cheaper at like Dollar General or something. Look at the wooden stakes right here, y'all. Yo, like they bringing it really early. Let's see, what was this? Oh, that was a collapsible wheelbarrow. I think that one was going for $99.99, so $100. Yo, collapsible wheelbarrow. So that's good to have, but it's kind of pricey though. But hey, it's collapsible. What do you expect? So I guess that's what they're saying. So let's see what was going on. Oh, there's some more of the planters, the little raised beds or whatnot. See, that's how it looks. So anybody that's interested in those. So I found myself back over here with these bushes again.
I don't think I need any of these this year unless I just want to add to. Because I have raspberry, blackberry, blueberry. I have to see, because matter of fact, I know I got the raspberry and the blackberry. I have to see if I still have my blueberry. Okay, so I decided to just go back on around. I was just too happy. I think this is where I made it up to Aronde. Yeah, I did. And he was like, you're not done. Go that way. You gonna see. And look what we see. They got more. They got the figs over here, the strawberries over here, the kiwi, and they got some of the, what were they called? The baby cakes, the little patio ones right here, the little bush ones. I can't even talk. I'm so excited as I edit this video. But yeah, they got the little bush ones, and I've never gotten in one of those, so I probably would try those this year. I think one was called baby cakes or something, I'm not sure, but these are the little bush ones. You can put them right out your front door, at your patio or whatnot, and they're supposed to give off smaller little berries or whatnot. So I definitely want to try that and see what they all about. I done seen them for a couple years, and I ain't never gotten one to, you know, see what's to it, so I may try it. Right here, look at these little pink little, and I'm not even really a pink person, more of a red person, but that's close enough. They just got all their different little garden tools and stuff out. Right here, food grade diatomaceous earth. Now that brand I had got from Walmart, same size bag for $8 and something. It's in here for $20, okay? When you can just go get the big bag like I normally buy for like $28-$30 if you go do that. So I was like, no. Then I came back over here because I was actually thinking about if I was going to get something, but I said no, I'm just going to wait so I can go through everything and make sure I'm not buying stuff over, because I have some stuff that I had put back from last year. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all too, so you can get a better look at these potatoes. All your seed potatoes is out too, along with, like I said, the onions and stuff. I wanted to get a better look at them because I just had started wandering off with the camera looking at other stuff.